Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you where you can find these trapped farmers and how to use them. So, to begin, first of all, we'll need to find this camp where the farmers are going to be located. These small camps can spawn anywhere, so you just have to go around the map and get lucky to find them, but they are not so rare to find, so you should find them really easily. Now, how to use them, you'll need to have a vehicle capable of holding them inside and making sure you can travel with them. Now you want to travel to the hideout of the farmers, and here set the farmer inside of this area. Now use the delivery button and it is going to suck him. And now inside of the hideout, here you can trade the caged farmers for some schematics like the timer, driver's saddle, or many other things. So this is pretty much all, how to get and how to use them. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.